YouTube, what's the deal? I don't really feel like jumping on camera today, but I got this thing outside. I see it's hella dirty. But I got a new toy, so I'm gonna spray it down today. It's still clean, it's still A1, like good condition. I just ain't been driving it because I got some parts I'm gonna show y'all today. Yeah, but this is my new toy. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Like I said, I screwed my driveway all up when I did my motor. Took that thing apart. It was hella dirty. So today I'm gonna try to get my driveway clean and I'm gonna spray the Camaro down. But first I gotta do an oil change on this. It's a long day. It's a full day. Me and my son already went out and grabbed some stuff this morning. I got the oil, got the filter and everything for this, and some concentrate for the ground. So let me quit talking and get to it. It's hot out here. Alright, I just got the oil change on this thing. So we'll move on to the next adventure. I gotta show y'all the parts that I got for the 6.0 for the Camaro. So let me go grab that out the house real quick and I'll show y'all. Alright, so I got the water on. So how many pulls it take? And I need a tripod. Fuck it. I'm gonna just get it started up. So I got this thing sprayed down. I'm not gonna give it a full wash because it's just gonna sit here anyways. But I got all that dry dirt off of there. But the real point of getting a pressure washer was to clean this driveway. Man, I done thrashed this driveway. I would take full responsibility for it. That's why I'm gonna clean it up. So I got some of this driveway concentrate and a sprayer, Harbor Freight. I'm gonna mix it probably 50-50. I don't think I need a full gallon. Oh yeah, I might. So let me mix that up, get the pressure washer back on. We'll spray it down first and then get the pressure washer on. I'll probably scrub it because it's not gonna come up with just spraying it, obviously. So I'm gonna get the push broom out, scrub it, and spray it. See how we do. Alright, so I gotta spray it down, scrub. A lot of it dried, so I'm gonna hurry up and do this before it all the way dry. But yeah, that's where we at right now. Let me get this thing on, spray it down. Alright, so I had a little side mission. I had to change some oil on the Kia real quick. But after I got done with that, I sprayed the rest of the driveway, and man, it's a lot better. I can see the difference. I don't know if y'all can see the difference on camera, but I can definitely see the difference. Just the pressure washer and the sprayer with some concentrated and water in it. It'll work wonders. I don't know what the hell this spot is. It looked like some alien shit. I don't know where that came from, but for the most part, a lot of the heavy stains came out. All of the light dirt came up easy. I'm pretty happy with it.